Okay, let's work on the other side. Now this side I've already done. You guys saw the video on that. We come up and we go down and we put these diodes every two. Okay? So we go up. Oh no, we come down, up, like an S shape, okay? From here to there, around, positive to negative. And it winds up here. It comes up, and this is positive, but it goes negative, positive, negative, positive. At the far end, it's going to be negative. Okay. So let's start with this side. Let me see how that looks. Yeah. Okay. So this is positive on the back. So this is where our panel is going to start. It's going to go up, come down, up, come down, up, come down, up, come down. So this is going to be the positive side. So we're going to connect. It's going to go up, down. This is negative, the positive. So we're going to hook these two up, okay? Because this is the beginning. So let's do this one. Now here we can measure it. Right about there. Oh, you know. Okay, we got my pointy-doiny thing here to hold it down with. Straighten it out. Soldering station. All we gotta do is touch it and it melted. It's done. Okay. So work our way down. Pointy thing. Sure we're making good. Now you don't want a soldering joint to move after you want it, okay? Like you don't want to do this and then have it move while it's drying, because that'll give you a cold joint, okay? Hold it down, melt it. Make sure it's melting. Is it melting? Oh, there it goes. And just hold it so it doesn't move. There. A little bit far out. Okay. So that one's done. So we go up, down, across, up, down, and now we're going to go across. Now if you really want to get anal on this shit, you could actually put another diode here, and what you'll do then is you'll have, instead of 6 sections of 2 strings each, you'll actually have every string, okay? Like you can put a diode here, and then every string, there's 12 strings, every string will be a separate thing, to where any one string gets blocked, the other 11 will be cool, okay? Let me see where we're at here. Can you guys still see? Oh yeah, okay. Alright, so, but I'm just going to split it into 6, so I'm not going to put another diode here. I'm just going to, you know, connect them. Because that, it can get really crazy. I mean, that's too much. You can do it though. So now we're going to do another one. Oh, by the way, as far as solder goes, fuck silver solder. Silver solder sucks, okay? Just use regular 60-40 tin lead, you know what I mean? Because silver solder is just shit. I hate it. So I just bought good old American made 60-40 solder, okay? And use that. Alright? Okay, it's the same shit. Remember how you're going. You're going up, down, down, across, up, and you keep going like that. So you guys get the idea, right? And then when you're done, you just trim it off with your high-class nipper dippers. Okay. Put that away. Make it look nice and neat. Okay, so I'm going to keep going with this. When we're done, we're going to hook up the leads that are going to go out. Complete it. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye.